Maybe I should have not had a shower and let me face get all greasy. It seemed to work for you, Raiden. Have I got a dick on my head?
Hey guys, this is us prepping for our next video that we'll be uploading at some point. We're doing a WWE thing. This is us getting ready for that.
Get ready. Texters.
Woo!
Okay. So you're gonna have black eyebrows. Hopefully this doesn't. Hopefully it doesn't dye it.
I have...
Different filling the greys as well.
No, fuck you, there's no grays. This is who we're doing raid as.
Okay, we're gonna go here
I
to...
feel like I'm getting surgery.
Yeah, you are. There. And then it's gonna go...
And
it's gonna go triangle there.
What?
Triangle there. And then it's gonna go over your eyebrows. Yeah. Stop moving.
I can't help it. It's like the worst idea ever.
No, it's terrible.
You didn't just like do the thing already? Fuck. Just
stop breathing on me.
This is our artiste at work. Oh, the fumes. Oh, the eyes, the threats.
Oh. I haven't even touched your eyes. Show me what he looks like. Oh, you can't.
I can't. I can just...
You just look at it.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut all that in.
Yeah, okay.
Okay?
Yeah, sure, go for it. I'm so glad my boss isn't going to be there tomorrow. It actually doesn't look too bad. How do you say that? What? How do you say that? No, I'm not even joking. Oh.
Okay, it's red around it.
I can feel it. Yeah, like I can feel it on my face.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh!
It's getting close.
Now red.
Just saying, it's looking a little... Oh, actually, I need to fix that up.
We are now doing makeup tutorials.
Yay! Without makeup. With permanent markers.
When you girls are just feeling a bit down, got those panda eyes happening.
Oh, just slap some marker on your face.
Slap some black marker on your face.
Yeah.
Marking his concentration face going on.
Oh, God. That is the most unflattering face right now.
Oh, tongue's out.
Get rid of that big nose.
Can't, it's always around. Jesus, fuck, alright. I'm pretty sure there's a warning that says don't put on direct skin.
No, it's fine. Don't believe any warnings you read.
No, they're just suggestions.
Yeah. Right now you look like you're getting ready to go to like one of your heavy metal concerts or something.
To the gala ball. Oh.
That or you get ready to go out and fight crime.
The what?
I'm nabbing!
I can feel your crotch on me. It's not good.
My crotch?
Yeah.
My dick's up here.
No, it's not though.
Okay. You're good.
Am I?
Alright, girls and boys.
Let me take a photo.
Ultimate Warrior.
Whoa!
Not bad.
Not bad actually.
Not bad.
Not bad actually.
Yeah. Shane, do you want to sit down?
Yeah, alright. Yeah, Ren. Take control of that.
Okay, we'll do
Oh, what's this? Shane's turn. And what are you transforming Shane into today, Mark?
Oh, God.
That's just Exhibit A.
Jesus.
Oh.
Alright.
Okay.
Stop your fucking heads. Okay, don't move.
Don't ever move.
Don't move your man.
It's like a young Brandon Lee.
You're gonna taste it. Just
I am tasting it.
Stop moving! Keep falling into the gaps in your mouth.
Can you not jam it in my mouth?
Can you just close your mouth?
Food.
Close your mouth!
Oh, gotta get all the angles. Oh, no shot.
Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Reverse Hitler.
Yeah.
Keep doing
Yeah.
Him smell really strong.
Oh, you think? Wait till it gets to the eyes.
He wasn't jamming it in your mouth. Look, he's got on the lips. He's sticking
I
it
can
in.
still taste it.
How's it go? Around the edge.
On the edge of the eyelids.
Oh, and down to the chin. This is the most fucked up one.
That's just the most easiest one. Yep.
Okay, now your eyes gotta go black. Okay.
Here comes the best part. Close for this one.
Stop moving.
Stop flinching.
He stabbed me in the eye.
Oh my
fine.
god. Stop being a girl. Oh my god. Relax.
Yeah. Just a nice day in the spa with your girlfriends, talking about the boys.
Stop making this weird.
When it's your turn, don't tell me yes.
You look
That
like
feels
a
good.
raccoon. Hopefully this shit comes off.
What?
Alright, I think we're good. Close enough.
Close enough.
Let's take a photo of you.
Not even recording, Raiden. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I feel like it's
You've got a
dying your
whisker.
skin,
You've got a whisker now, Mark.
It's fine. What's that?
I feel like it's dying your skin, eh? It looks like it.
Thanks, man.
It's like, it's almost like right into your skin.
Yeah, thanks for that. You're welcome.
The things you do with the channel, Raiden.
The good news is I know I get tomorrow off.
So do I.
How about you, Raiden?
Yeah, well, how about...
I'm gonna go fight crime after this.
Good. I'm gonna go start crying after this.
Maybe I should have not had a shower and let me face get all greasy. Seemed to work for you, Raiden. Have I got a dick on my head?
You would cry. It's gonna run. Shut up.
Stop shaking!
I'll just fill this in for reasons. But as long as it's recorded, I'm happy.
It's recorded.
Yes. Yeetus Nagitus.
Yeetus McGeetus.
Ah.
Oh my god, it's black. Okay.
Yep, we're going there, son. Hold on tight.
Oh, it's a
Do you
lot
really
of black
need
you
this
have to
anymore?
colour in.
What's that?
No,
Really?
just no. Because all we have to do is colour in between the lines.
Yeah, much.
Oh, this is the long part.
Mm-hmm. And he's got the biggest, like, gap.
Oi, fuck off.
That wasn't a fat joke. Literally, you have a lot of skin to cover because of reasons.
What, you're saying I got a big forehead now?
Oh my god, shut the fuck up. You're making me laugh.
You're making me laugh. Doesn't sound like you're laughing.
You shut up. What?
Still laughing at what you did before.
Oh, it's fine. It doesn't stay black, does it? It's like going
alright.
into a weird grey. Like a dark grey.
Please don't laugh and stuff like that.
Oh yeah. Do you like that?
I really do.
Although this is very basic, guys, this is taking us a bit of time.
A little bit. It'd be great if we had actual makeup,
I know.
but you know reasons.
Okay.
Wow. I feel
Stings a
beautiful.
little bit when you open your eyes, I know.
Let's have a look at my head. Oh. What happened down here?
Don't worry about it. That's the down parts. I can bother with it.
Alright, guys.
It take too long.
Here's Mark as best we could do with what we had for as Hunter Hearst help. No.
No.
The hurricane.
Whoa.
The hurricane.
Hurricane Helms.
We got
Ultimate Warrior.
Ultimate Warrior. And best we could do for Sting with what we got.